Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but now let's talk about Cardano. Before we do that, if we're looking at the markets, we're seeing a great day for the entire market overall, especially what happened yesterday. We did see a huge retracement after the CZ Binance news coming out, and of course, Bittrex closing down. But, seems to be all left in the dust at this point because we're seeing the market once again picking up. If we're looking at Cardano on the daily time frame, up 2.8% on the daily time frame, and on the monthly time frame, ADA is up 41.1%. But what I'm about to share with you guys is really interesting. So if you are a holder of Cardano, you do want to watch this video till the absolute end. Before I get into the analysis, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So as of November 22nd, we're seeing Cardano sitting at 38 cents, up 2.6% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, also up 0.5% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Market cap 13.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $260 million. I know a lot of people are going to bring up the 24-hour trading volume, saying, it's quite low for a project with this big of a community, with this big of a backing. And, that's nothing to worry about. We will see the 24-hour trading volume picking up organically. And I think that time is very near, which I will explain, of course. Before we do that, I just wanted to share this with you guys with the Cardano community. And this is why I asked this, because, of course, in this update, I wanted to kind of go over this. So you guys can see 2 days back, I asked my community, how many of you hold Cardano? And you guys can see 42% of you voted saying, yes, I do. And about 58% have said no. And, this kind of gives us a better understanding as to where people really think Cardano currently stands. And in my opinion, anyone that's in ADA right now is going to really benefit out of this, especially if what happens what I'm about to share with you guys. Cardano is definitely one of the top projects. There's no doubt about that. Recently had a little bit of a FUD, but to be honest, every single project through the bear market has gone through a FUD. Cardano continues to develop, and I think their ecosystem is being slept on quite a bit. It has smart contracts, they have staking, DeFi. There's so much going on for ADA, and I think people are sleeping on it because of the likes of new projects coming in, and pretty much a lot of people that were picking up ADA throughout the previous bull cycle have left it. So, I think that's what's happening. So, overall, I've explained this to you guys before. I think Cardano is going to smash past its previous all-time high. And as far as ETH killer goes, you guys know ADA is one of them as well. Just like Solana, Cardano is also one of them. And Cardano and Solana are competitors with one another. Of course, Solana has seen a tremendous amount of growth this year. And speaking about this year, if you guys don't remember, Cardano, Solana, and Matic, all three of these projects were, considered a security by the SEC. So what I'm about to share with you guys right now is going to really give you a better understanding as to why I think Cardano is about to make a huge move, and I will explain exactly why that is. So listen very carefully. Before we get into the ADA's price, let's take a look at BTC. So Bitcoin, guys, oh god, Bitcoin is creating massive amounts of manipulation across the board. You guys can see up down pretty much. $37,900 seems to be a huge resistance for the price of BTC to break, but we've seen a huge types of manipulation for the price of Bitcoin occurring over the past basically 2 weeks at this point. That is quite interesting to see. Of course, if you're a newcomer, this might be a really scary time, but welcome to the crypto land. So far we are seeing BTC sitting at $37,268. And let's see, of course, the best thing for us to see is for the price to actually break out and hit a new yearly high. I think that is going to be very exciting for the entire market. So that's that as far as Bitcoin is concerned. But do pay very close attention to Bitcoin's price. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for Cardano. And what I'm about to share with you guys will excite you a lot. So, if you want to go down memory lane, let's go down memory lane. So if you're a new investor or this is the first time coming in, ADA had an all-time high of $3.10 almost August 30th of 2021. And, if you are an OG subscriber of mine, you guys know I was a very, very early Cardano influencer. I've been talking about ADA before it even hit 2 cents. So it's been quite some time. It's been a huge journey. And, of course, after that bear market, we saw a huge, huge retracement for Cardano for about like 91.5%. So a huge retracement without a doubt. But what is about to happen right now is going to shock you. So you see this line right here? This resistance, which I continuously have spoken about, for quite some time, if you do follow me on my channel, is being retested continuously. Even though we did see a lot of uncertainty within the markets over the past 24 hours, we're still seeing Cardano now going below 35 cents. And this is giving me mega bullish vibes. If you picked up some ADA on October 20th, you are up right now about 64%. And a lot of people won't talk about that. A lot of people will ignore this part. But it's up 64%. And I think this is about to change if we're able to wick back above this resistance. You guys can see on the 15th, we did go above this, but we were never managed to close above here. And since then, the price continuously is trying to break out. But we do have at the same time insane amount of resistance on its way. But guys, if it's able to break out and hit a new yearly high at 47 cents, I'm projecting mega moves for Cardano, because Cardano really hasn't moved compared to the likes of Solana, the likes of even BTC. And, there's a lot of other projects out there that it's not pacing. But again, a lot of projects still at the same time have not seen a huge uptrend. So, if we're able to break out of this, I think a lot of eyes will come on it this time around because, of course, the overall market momentum. But we need to flip this resistance into support and actually start heading back above this huge level of resistance, which is at 45 cents. If it's able to do this, I'm about to see a similar move to Solana. So we could see the price of Cardano going up to 70 cents in the upcoming near future. That's a move of about 80% after we break out of this resistance. So I could definitely see this happening. I think that's a very realistic short-term target to be aiming for. This move, that especially after continuously bouncing back and forth below this resistance, really speaks for itself. And I think we're about to see something massive coming for ADA. Let me know down below what you guys think, but I'm very, very optimistic right now. I think Cardano is about to shock a lot of people, and I think ADA is going to be talked about a lot more in the crypto space in the very near future. So let me know down below what you guys think, and of course, if you guys agree with that, let me know if you guys been accumulating Cardano. I know a lot of people have been staking Cardano throughout the bear market, and when the bull market returns, there's going to be people that are going to be wealthy with the massive amounts of rewards that they have accumulated. So great things to see. It's really going to be interesting to see the next 2 to 3 years how it's going to be as far as development goes, which blockchain gets the most eyes on. But as of now, Solana is absolutely killing it, but do not sleep on ADA as well. But with that said, I will see you tomorrow. Also, let me know in the comments if you want to see more updates. And speaking about that, I want to make an announcement. I'm sure if you do follow me on my channel, you know about this, but starting December 1st, I'm going to be creating a portfolio with $1,000 USD. This portfolio will be for the next 12 to 15 months, and I'll be doing weekly updates to show how it's performing. This is going to be strictly for entertainment purposes only, and it's not financial advice. Let me know if you're interested in seeing this. So this is going to be really interesting, kind of just gives us a better idea, and we're just going to have fun to take a portfolio from 1,000 to see where it goes in the next 12 to 15 months. And this is where I need you guys to engage with me. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see a large cap portfolio, if you want to see short to mid cap, or do you want to see both? I can even do 1,000 each, so 1,000 for large caps and 1,000 for short and mid, and do it that way as well. It's just for entertainment purposes only, of course, guys. And I know a lot of people might choose to follow this, and that's all on you. That is all on you. Like I said, this is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own due diligence and research when investing in crypto. And with that said, I will see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.